Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to set personal command Telegram bot. So open your Telegram and go to your chats. So you have to select chat bot and you can turn on your command options. So go to your profile and click any chat and see there is no command in chat in the bot. You see there is no command. So now I tell you in this input how to enable chatbot. When type start, then chatbot will works for you. So open the chat of bot father. Open the chat of bot father. Type my bot on the text. All bots are shown when you type my bot. Choose a bot from list below. You can select the bot of your choice. Select anyone and click edit bot. Click to edit commands. This is how to enable personal command. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.